There's ROCKSTEADY, King of the Pit TV, signing in. Track number 5 of 10, we're listening to Of Malice by Misery Signals, the debut. In long form, it's Of Malice and the what? Sorry, my eyesight's not great. The Magnum Heart, is that right? Let's go. Let's go.
With the words that set her free, she became the stinging bride. She became the hurricane.
Come on.
I'm drumming in my sleep.
Bruh. He's what? He's what? What's he doing in his sleep? I think he's saying drowning, but it sounds so close that I'm coming in my sleep. Which is funny really, because instrumentally them little diddle reminds me a little bit of Year's first record. What was that? Goodbye to the Gallows, which I really liked back in the day. I thought it was incredibly extreme for when I was a teenager. And they had a track called Rusted from Wet Dreams or something like that. Come on. With the words that set her free, she became the stinging rain. She became a hurricane. No love lost.
That serpent coiled within my stomach. Separate stuff from her without any weight. Gone with the storm. We are not meant to contain the sadness of this world.
Come on.
I whispered in her ear and drew her close.
Wow. Where's this going? Incredible lead guitar, so good. So good. I think that one was a little bit clearer. I'm drowning in my sleep, right? Could be I'm drumming in my sleep. Maybe he's air drumming in his sleep.
Just those simple moments stay awakened. This will be the end of silence, and the very last time. I can promise you that. I'll wait unending striving dreams. Smash it apart, be free. I'll wait unending striving dreams. I'll wait unending be free.
Good tune, good tune. Wasn't as good as in summary of what I am, but some great moments. When they kick into them melodic moments, that's where I feel that's. I wouldn't necessarily give it purely down to Misery Signals, as it seems to be a pattern across the board. I like that element of this particular style of music. I love the melodic bits. Quite simply, and this band does it very well. The lead guitars, when they want to pop out, they really good. And have you noticed there's been no guitar solos, which is pretty cool as well. We've got Worlds and Dreams coming up.